Hello everyone, and welcome back to GuruZen. Have you ever imagined creating a cinematic video just from your imagination? Not by filming anything, not by learning complicated editing, but just with AI and a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I made my alien world documentary using one incredible tool, Higgsfield AI, and prove that creative video making is now easier than ever. Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing generative AI video platforms. It gives creators a playground where you type your ideas and the AI turns them into moving visuals, sounds, and atmosphere. Almost like magic. What I love about it is how playful and intuitive the process feels. You don't need years of editing experience. You just need curiosity. Let me walk you through how I turned a concept into a finished video. First, I started with a simple idea, an alien planet full of light and strange life, something beautiful and otherworldly. I opened Higgsfield, clicked Create Video, and typed in a detailed description. Not just nouns, but the kind of imagery and mood I wanted. For example, I wrote, "A bright alien horizon, glowing skies, floating life forms, cinematic sweep." That's all I typed, but the platform already lets you have access to some of the best AI engines inside one space. Some of those engines whisper names like WAN 2.5, Nano Banana Pro, or Kling Audio. But honestly, all you need to focus on is that they make your footage look and sound incredible. I hit generate, and within moments, I had moving visuals that felt like a real creative world. As it generated, I tweaked the text here and there, adding small details about lighting, motion, and atmosphere, just like you would describe a scene to a friend. And you know what's wild? When you watch it in motion, it feels alive, like the scene is breathing. That's the power of letting AI interpret your imagination. Now, let's talk audio for a second. Instead of ducking into a separate sound library, you can tell Higgsfield what kind of soundscape or voiceover you want, and the AI creates it for you. I picked a soft, ambient background audio and a calm narration voice to match the scene. You don't have to be an audio engineer. It just understands what you're going for. So once I had my visuals and audio, I simply downloaded the video. From start to finish, it took me only a handful of clicks and a few minutes of creative thinking. There were no cameras, no hours of editing, no frustration, just idea to video. And that's what makes this tool exciting. It's not just about replacing old tools. It's about unlocking new creative possibilities. You can try fantasy worlds, sci-fi landscapes, narrative scenes, product showcases, all without leaving your browser. If you're a creator who loves exploring new frontiers, AI video creation platforms like Higgsfield are opening doors we could only dream about a few years ago. So go ahead, play with your imagination. Dream big. Type it in. Let the AI do the rest. And hey, if this tutorial has inspired you even a little bit, please like the video, subscribe to GuruZen for more creative tool tutorials, and comment below what wild idea you'd love to turn into an AI video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. In a distant arm of our galaxy, beyond human reach, orbits a world of endless light, Erebos. From space it glimmers like a sphere of golden sapphire, its clouds alive with motion and color. Erebos circles a young white star, whose energy floods the skies, creating vast storms of light. Unlike Earth, where life clings to the soil, life here drifts, feeding on sunlight and charged air. Across its bright plains stretch crystal forests where trees of glass refract light into living rainbows. Beneath them, radiant moss forms a breathing carpet that glows softly at night. Every surface hums with energy, sunlight made alive. Among the branches glide the photosails, creatures with translucent wings that catch the wind and drink the sun. When storms come, they fold their sails and ride the lightning to safety. But not all is peace. Hidden below lies the Vorin trapweaver, an ambush predator disguised as moss-covered stone. Its invisible threads sense the faintest vibration, and with a sudden strike, it feeds. Then come the radiant storms, vast tempests of amber and turquoise lightning. Swarms of tiny lumivracs rise to meet them, glowing brighter with every charged spark. In the lower atmosphere drifts the aerolith, a colossal being a kilometer long. Entire ecosystems thrive on its back as it floats endlessly through the skies, a living world within a world. As night falls, the Oralis awaken, millions of winged lights painting the horizon in soft gold and blue. Their pulses form patterns across the air, the silent language of balance and harmony. Erebos is more than a planet. It is proof that life will always find a way, in the air, in the light, and in the silence between stars.